Okay, welcome. Hi. Yes. If you just got here, make sure you are logged in with your login on the computer. Yes, and then go to the URL website on the whiteboard to your left. Yes, I'll go ahead and say it in case you can't read it. bit.ly/chargen_mocap. Okay, and that's just a shortened word for character generator motion capture. Okay, chargen_mocap. Okay. So now that's going to take you to this page, which I have up on the projection right now. And just kind of briefly tell you what it is. We are going to be making our own original 3D characters with a cool new software called Character Generator, made by Autodesk. And from there, you're going to take your completed 3D character to one of the 3 motion capture stations I have set up over here. And you're going to make your character move around with your own body and record that. Okay? So our objectives for today are to gain insight into creating your own unique 3D character, to understand some of the workflows necessary to set up that character for motion capture animation, and to experience recording your body's movements in order to drive your own original character. This is a fairly ambitious project for me to try to do in this amount of time. But I think we can do it, and hopefully you'll all have fun and not get thoroughly confused. Because I think I've planned this out well enough, and I've built these web pages to supplement my instruction, okay? So if we go ahead and jump to the first phase of creating your character, everyone go ahead and go there, which is bit.ly/autodesk_char_gen. Okay, so on phase 1, the first thing you're going to be doing is creating an account with Autodesk. I made this executive decision to not pre-create a bunch of dummy accounts and then sign it in for you, because I want you to own this. I want you to have your own account and be able to play with this at home, just like my students will. Also, you are my guinea pigs. This is a project I'm going to be kind of building out further for my students. So thank you for being my guinea pigs. Is everyone alive out there? I just see a bunch of non-moving heads. Okay, thanks, Janet. All right. So this is probably going to be the toughest hurdle of the whole project, is creating your account. Let's see how well you can do with that. Go to the first link there. I've got step-by-step instructions. Actually, real quickly. Yep, please sit anywhere but the back row. Sorry. Real quickly, I want to explain something that, since you guys are teachers, no, listen. I kind of started doing something in building my projects here, and I think this may be the biggest takeaway you guys have from this whole thing, is what I've done here, okay? I've started building my lessons into these small little digestible chunks, rather than what I used to do was just record myself doing something and it ended up being a 10 to 15 minute video, right? So I found a new software for recording the computer screen and turning that into an animated GIF. Okay, so what you see here is me recording my screen and then embedding that into the website as a GIF. This is an excellent way to have students do things on their own, supplemental instruction. So what I'm trying to say is, hopefully you can just go through this and figure out how to do it just based on what I've got here. So each step has kind of sub-steps, and the kind of video right below it's going to show you that step of exactly what you need to do, okay? So if you get confused, just look at the video. It shows you what to do.